Hi and welcome to today's More Report with me, Rich Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets on Tuesday the 16th of September. These European markets have started on the back foot, and that's come after a pretty disappointing session again, week on the on Wall Street. Tech stocks weighed down actually by supposedly by the upcoming IPO of Alibaba, and then some big names had a fairly sizable decline. Facebook, Amazon, both strongly lower. And that certainly weighed on Wall Street markets, which subsequently weighed on Asian stocks, and that has filtered through into the European session as well. So slightly starting on the back foot here. The caution is also coming ahead of this key Fed meeting that we've got in the next couple of days. The dollar is certainly just consolidating in front of that move that could well happen tomorrow. Possible change of forward guidance, but we'll see how that one pans out. But certainly investors are fairly cautious ahead of that meeting, and certainly the dollar trading is suggesting of that as well. The main concern that in the forex markets today is the sterling falling again, and that comes as the UK prepares for this crucial Scotland independence vote later on in the week. But we'll certainly the dollar cable chart will be a big focus in a little bit. So I will talk about the chart of the day, which actually is the DAX now. And the DAX found support yesterday on this key 9,600 mark again. That was the breakout level that has become a basis of support. And if you look on the on the daily chart, this 9,600 mark has been a historic level of support through the last few months, and again it's proved to be yesterday. Now, if that level starts to break down, then that could be a bit of concern, certainly for the near term. The problem that we've got on the DAX is that we've been in this nice recovery uptrend, but that channel that we'd been in has now broken down by this consolidation, and the momentum is becoming a little bit more negative. And also, I pointed out on the daily morning report that the in a sideways trending market, which the DAX has certainly been in for the past 9 months or so, 10 months, not really making any real headway, moving sideways. When you get these crossovers on the MACD lines, they do tend to be fairly successful in terms of how they call a subsequent correction. Now we're just on the brink of one now. It hasn't had a crossover yet, but also not only that, we're seeing the stochastics which have given a second sell signal falling away, and now underneath the previous low as well. So the momentum indicators are certainly dropping away, and that 9,600 level could come under further pressure as we move on. I think it could become an increasingly important level in the near to medium term anyway. In terms of levels we need to be watching out for, certainly that 9,600 point as well, and underneath there at 9,540. On the upside, you'd probably be looking out for the fact that we're posting a series of lower highs over the past few days, and certainly the key lower high within that move is the reaction high that we got. If I zoom in, it's that reaction high that we got the other day. If my crosshair would work. Please work. Okay, brilliant. So yeah, it's the reaction high that we got the other day on Thursday, the 11th of September. So, and that high came in at 9733. So that is the key level we need to be looking out for on the upside. But certainly at the moment, the pressure is beginning to grow to the downside. Although that support at 9,600 is holding on the DAX, it is coming under pressure. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.